Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix no bootable device found. So try F1 to try a boot. Usually this error comes in Dell PC or laptop. So I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So there you can see I'm trying to boot my laptop, but it's stuck on this error. Now I'm going to press F1. There you can see nothing happens. So you have to go to BIOS by pressing F2. Now from here, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. Let me show you. So from here, click on System Configuration. And open State Operation Setting. So now from here you have to turn on Radon or HCI. There you can see I'm just turning it on. Okay, once on, just apply it. And you have to check few other settings if this doesn't work. Like there you can see my hard drives are disabled, so I'm gonna enable them. Just enable all of these and then click apply. And there is the last solution. Let me just show you. You have to go to boot sequence, and from here enable legacy boot. Okay, so when you enable legacy, you can see your connected hard drives. Now just apply and exit BIOS. So guys, hopefully this will fix your issue. Now let me show you. So guys, there you can see it's fixed. So that's all in this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.